Have you ever seen a light kit that just looks slapped on rather than built in? Most lighting kits just slap LEDs wherever it fits, but that's not what we do here at Light My Bricks. Take the new Technic Koenigsegg, for example. Lego builds these headlights as solid with printed pieces and no light can actually pass through them. We completely ripped these sections out and rebuilt it using pieces that aren't even in this set. We're talking about custom flare lights, hidden wiring, just sitting where the real car has its lights. And this is the whole reason why I started Light My Bricks. Not just to light up a set, but to make it look like it was actually meant to have lights.